Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl, Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, if you want to see my latest addition to my Michael Kors bag and how I got it for under $75, you know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need...
All right, y'all, let's get into this. So first of all, I have to give my husband a big shout out. Thank you so much, baby. I love you, because this is one of my birthday gifts, you guys. And I get a new Michael Kors bag every year for my birthday. And one of the reasons why is because if you are a member of the Michael Kors reward program, for your birthday, they give you a $50 credit. Yes, I said $50 credit. So let me show you guys what I picked up. So I end up getting, I'm gonna give you the official name of it. It is called the Jet Set Large Logo Pocket Tote Bag. And this is what, let me go back. This is what she looks like. So on the front, it does have this large pocket, as per in the name. Let me show you, the back is just plain. That's the back. I already took all the stuffing and stuff out, you guys. Now, as far as the straps are concerned, you do have adjustable straps, so you can adjust the straps, and they adjust on the front as well as on the back. And it does have this really big pocket right here in the front with this little Michael Kors little logo thing right here. And when you open it up, that's what it looks like on the inside. You can't really see. You might be able to see a little bit, but that's what it looks like. On the inside of here, you do have slots where you can actually put your credit cards in. You have 1, 2, 3, 6 slots. And you can probably, I know you can put your cell phone in there as well if you wanted to. So just to have easy access. And let me show you what it looks like when I open it up. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Do you see how much space there is in there, you guys? And there is 1, 2, 3. The middle pocket is really big. So that middle pocket, you could definitely put your cell phone in, and you could put like pens or whatever else you want to put in the smaller pockets. And then we open up the other, because there's 3 different sections. So the back part was what I'm calling the back. You do have a really large zipper right here. So you guys know you can put a lot in there. And then you do have 2 really big slots, big pockets rather. And if you wanted to, you could slide your phone or whatever you wanted to slide inside of there. And then in the middle, there's a zipper area, because this bag does not zip up or close up or anything like that. But it does have a zipper in the middle. And look at all that space, y'all. You could get so much in this bag. And I picked this bag up because I wanted something for when I travel to put my laptop in. However, my laptop is a little bit too big. But if I wanted to travel with my tablet, or to have it for my tablet fits in here with plenty of space and room to spare. And the bottom does have the little feet, so when you sit it down, it won't be sitting like right on your purse. It's not just sitting on the surface. And y'all, that's really the gist of this bag for the most part. Very nice. Now I'm gonna tell you who I think this bag is for. I feel like this would be a good bag for traveling. Like if you want to travel and you just want to have a nice little carry-on onto the plane, you can get a lot in here. So it's good for that. It's also good for our corporate American women. If you just want to have a nice bag to put your tablet, your iPad in, you know, put your flats in, so when you get off of work, you take them heels off if you got to get on the train. I feel like it'll be a nice bag for a mom who has transitioned from the diaper bag, but you're not ready for a regular bag, because you still need to have somewhere to put your sippy cup. You still need baby wipes. You still need pull-ups. So this will be a nice bag to carry if you're a mom with a little kid And just for an everyday bag, if you're like me, who carries a lot of stuff, this is a great bag for that because it is big enough for you to be able to carry so much in this bag. Now, y'all, let's get into the price. So let me show you. I do have, put it over here. I do have, it was originally $228. And then it was on sale actually at the store. It had went down to $171. So, you know, that's a good deal, right? Well, y'all, online, it was actually $101. And I got $50 off because, you know, it was for my birthday. They give you the $50 credit. You guys, I paid $56.41. Yeah, $56.41 for this tote bag. I feel like I was stealing. It was such a win. And you guys, I will tell you this. If you sign up for their reward program and you get your $50, always try to find a bag that's on sale so you can really maximize that $50 and you can really get a great deal. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. I hope, oh, let me see if it's available. Hold on. Let me see if it's available. Okay, it's currently out of stock right now, but online it's $137. So right now they're saying that they're selling it for $137, but it says unfortunately this item is currently out of stock. But if you like it, you could put it in your wish list and they'll email you once it's available. But that is it, you guys. Now, if you're not following your girl on Instagram, why? It's Lori's Life is my name on Instagram, so go follow your girl on Instagram. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed, why? No, I'm just playing. But to all my new subscribers, I see you and I do appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed, guess what you need to do? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.